Putting people in boxes and categorising them is bad, right? But doing it can really help you become a much better DJ.
Hello.
Assessing the crowd is possibly the most important lesson you will ever learn if you want to be a good DJ. I know we aren't supposed to categorise people and put them into boxes, but the truth is that humans are incredibly tribal. For proof of this, just look at politics, religion, football and fashion. Everyone falls into boxes to a lesser or greater extent. As a designer, you imagine the exact target market individual for a product. This is the sole, ideal, perfect person that would represent the brand. You give them a name, age, gender, and then go through everything they would like in life. You work out what clothes they would wear, what brands they like, what books they read, what films they watch, and of course, what music they listen to. As fashion and music are so intrinsically linked, you can often instantly say what music someone likes just by seeing what clothes they're wearing. Sometimes when you're booked to DJ, you know exactly what genre of music you're expected to play, and this makes life easier. But oftentimes, you will do open format DJ sets when you have little to no idea of the age range and taste of the crowd. This is where that skill taken from branding comes in really handy. They say people's musical tastes are, on average, rooted around what they like at the age of 14. So just from assessing the rough average age of the crowd, you can predict pretty successfully what music they will like. Then, by looking at their fashion sense and style, you can even more precisely correlate this to their other tastes in life. Bringing nationalities into this can help clarify the idea, as if you're booked to DJ in Jamaica, you'll likely want to change your set if your last booking was a club in Scotland. This is possibly the most important lesson you'll ever learn as a DJ, as your job is to make people dance. I've met lots of technically amazing DJs who could win the DMC championships, but put them in different challenging club scenarios and they can often lose the crowd and clear the dance floor. I also hear of DJs pre-planning sets and even specific mixes, which is not a very good idea as you can't adjust and react to different crowds and scenarios. Don't ever get caught up in your own self-importance as a DJ. What really matters is the crowd and making them have a good time. Always remember to look up and always remember to see how the energy is on the dance floor so you can read when to change the track and what to play next to keep everyone dancing. To clarify though, I don't want anyone to get confused and think that I in any way mean a DJ should be a jukebox and only play the latest hits. You should always be unique and bring something new, but never at the expense of the crowd's enjoyment. Be inventive, be unique, do something fantastically original, but always make people dance. Oh, and subscribe to Beatnik TV.